Hello, dark my friend. I can't you talk with you again because I wish you so creepy. Let you see the one I was sleeping, and the picture touches planet in my brain still remain within the soul of silence. Rest her dream and watch alone. Never still I cover the stone. Made you hollow of the still alive. Told my color up on the dawn. When my eye was stuck, I flashed out pale light. That speaks of now, and it goes to be so of silence. And the night like this soul. Then some people maybe more. People talking when they're speaking. People hearing without listening. People write so that the voice will never change. Another day, this should be soul of silence. Will I say you come now? Silent can't turn down. Hear my word, I might teach to you. Take my arms, I might reach you. But the world I desire right to fall and echo in the world of silence. And people mold you fire. You denounce how they might be. And the thing flash out is warning in the world that was for me. In the science world of prophet, writers away. Whoa, and then the hope, and the whisper in the soul of silence.